What's your good name?
I'm Chaitra.
How old you are?
I am 37 years.
Okay, you are from which place?
I am from Girinagar, Bangalore,
Bangalore.
Karnataka.
Okay, today is
24th of Jan
Jan
2025.
2025.
Yeah.
So what health issue you had?
I had a tumor in my right upper arm,
Okay.
which I got removed in 2024.
Okay.
Sorry, 2014.
Ah.
Sorry, it was in 2014, December
Mm.
31st.
Mm.
So,
Okay. Thereafter, what are all the?
So after the tumor was removed, my hand was not working. It was totally paralyzed. So after taking 1 year of rigorous and continuous physiotherapy, my hand movement came back again. But after a year or 2 years, we went for another scanning as per doctor's suggestion, and there my tumor was again recurred, and they told I want to get it has to be removed again. The size of the tumor was very small compared to the first time. So we were searching for some alternative. I did not wanted to go for any operation because I had 1.5-year old twins to look after. So it will be very difficult for me. So and we were searching for alternative. Then we got to know about some magnetic radiation where it won't affect our cells but only kills the affected cells only. So I went for that also from 2016 to 18. Every year I have taken magnetic radiation. So in that it was the tumor was reducing, but still it was there. So I had a very horrible pain. I was not able to lift my hand and eat my food or wash my face. I was not able to use my right hand at all after the second time occurrence of the tumor. So my father, he was the one who was searching and researching for everything for my health. So he got to know about this miracle rings through some YouTube channel or so. So we went to the doctor. We went to Dr. Nagalakshmi in Nagabavi branch. We went there on in November 2023.
23.
Yeah. From that day, I have started taking miracle drinks, and she suggested me the diet also. This flex seeds drinks and prebiotic food what we have to take, and raw vegetable juice, fruit juice, everything she suggests. I mean,
Whatever
she
this
explained
Miracle Drinks New Ayurveda treatment protocol.
all miracle drinks new Ayurveda protocol. I practiced. I mean, I followed everything. In December 2024, I took one more PET CT scan. So there it showed me the tumor has not grown nor reduced, but it is in the same size. But the small tumors which were there in some other parts of the body, it all got
Disappeared.
It
Good.
was already disappeared. And in terms of my physical movement of the hand, it got better within 1.5 to 2 months.
After taking
From November to December PET CT scan. So the physical movement also started.
No,
improving.
you have taken in November 2023, is
23.
it? PET scan as
24 was the PET scan.
PET
sorry,
scan.
24. 1
Yeah,
year.
yeah.
So
after taking this treatment in 2023 November,
yes.
So in 1 month only you have got relief.
Yeah, I got relief in terms of my right hand pain. Also, there was some reduction, pain reduced, and I was feeling very energetic. Before taking this Miracle Drinks Neo Ayurveda, I was feeling lethargic, and I used to cry to get up in the morning. But I have no other choice to get up because I have to send my kids to school and do all the household chores. So then after taking this, I was very relieved and I was very energetic. I used to get up lively, and I was feeling very light also,
Great.
mentally and physically.
Great.
So now again in 2025, a week before, I took another PET CT. There also it has shown me all the small tumors which was there in other parts of the body has disappeared. This tumor is also the size of the tumor is also shrinking.
Shrinking.
So and now still now I am following the Ayurveda protocol itself. So I'm very happy about that, and I want to continue this.
Wonderful, wonderful, madam. Because so many people, they will just, think that I have to suffer like this forever, like that.
Yeah,
For such persons, you are giving hopes.
yeah, sure.
Those who have lost hopes.
Yes, this is it's like a miracle, actually a miracle to me, because I was not able to move my right hand. Now I am able to eat with my right hand. I can wash my face and I can braid myself. These are the things that I was not hoping at all.
Great, great, madam. Thank you very much. Thank you.